Hello everyone and welcome here. So today we are making a Rakhi envelope, which is a box envelope like this way. So what is the best part of this box envelope? You can also add any gifts along with this one. It's just not for the cash, but it's along, like, you can add a chocolates to your brother. You can add a Rakhi along with this one, or there are many more ways you can use this. And even of course, when your brother wants to give it a gaddi of a cash, this can be a perfect ideal envelope for that. And these are very nice and fastest selling. And if you don't want to make only an occasion for a Rakhi, you can also make it for a wedding or housewarming or much more events, so that only the sentiments gets changed. So let's get started. Here we have given a lot of color cardstocks. So there are different color cardstocks in your kit, like these are the vibrant colors are there, and these are all plain. Some we have done insta transfers here like this way on both the sides, and somewhere we will be doing it just like stenciling. Simply plain cardstock को हम थोड़ा सा fancy cardstock में convert करेंगे by using a stencil. The stencil is also part of your kit. We have given you. So I'm placing my stencil here in this way, and making it a little like traditionally नहीं कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा English look दे रही हूँ. And I'm gonna add the stencil brush here. Stencil brush is must, because without the stencil brush ना आपका color फैल जाएगा and it will not come properly. I'm using my golden color chalk pen for these one particularly. What you need to do is start rolling your stencil brush this way. You don't have to do typically पूरा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can also do it randomly, just blend shading like this. So center में मैं ज़्यादा focus नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm not doing it much, as I know that center is going to get covered by flowers and other things. But yeah, to the sides I'm doing it well and blending it in the center then. Here you go. So almost our envelope is done, and look at this plain cardstock has turned into beautiful design. Now what next we are going to do is, according to your cardstocks, you need to select the tags and a flowers. So here I'm taking this tag little off center instead of the center one. So I'll be using my this tag, and which goes aligned with my golden. For the sticking of a tag, we will be using foam tape. You can just use one or two. Just remove your foam tape and place your tag. On this tag, you can go with the siblings sentiments what we have given you, like best brother or a sibling love, sister love, like best sister, your best wishes, best Rakhi, congratulations. All these things we have given you. So you can use any of these sentiments, whichever you feel like it's correct for you. This one, and do this one here. Now coming to this one, I'm going to pick up these flowers because this goes perfectly aligned with my paper combination. Now best part of this flower, now you can layer these flowers. Like for example, I am taking this one of the flower. उसके ऊपर ना I'm gonna layer these flower. इसी के ऊपर मैं 3D look भी दे सकती हूँ this way. Let me show what I'm saying you. One second. Yeah, here this is my whole bunch, which comes like this. On this I'm gonna layer with my foam tape, so giving it 3D look. And then you can also layer with some more petals and leaves along with this one. So we'll just remove one by one, and I'm just doing it, either you can use a normal glue or either you can also use a foam. So let's do it here this way, just putting it down, taking this one on top. Here is the glue. थोड़ा सा ऑफ सेंटर दिया है तो वो 3D पॉपअप लुक लगे. And then doing another flowers just as like different arrangement here this way. And now we can also add some leaves along with this and some more small flowers. Make sure you overlap them. So overlapping gives you a very nice and interactive look. Once I'm done and settled with my flower, I'm gonna add some leaves along with this one. Here you go. this one. Isn't it so pretty? Now along these sides we can also use some beads to accessorize more. So I'm just taking this beads here. जितना भी size और space बाकी है, we will just take this one by one here beads and we'll just put it on the, not doing the whole but just showing you how we can go and accessorize these ones. So accessories you can use as much as you want, or you can also like do it little less as per the like budget, or if you are into the exhibition selling or order work, then you can customize these sizes and these quantity of the beads and everything, because depending on the budget you can also play along with this one. So जितना करोगे उतना वो expensive भी होगा, beautiful भी बनेगा, but साथ में अगर client को if you want like give it for a little less price or something, then you can remove all these things and can also just put some sentiments on it. Now coming to these envelopes, okay, these are the how we will be doing it. I'll show you rest of the envelope and you can create yourself. So I'm just showing you how the envelope will work here. Here, this is a plain envelope what we have given you in the kit. It has a one rough side and it has a polished side. So rough side, I'm taking it inside, and all the creasing now, first you need to just fold it nicely. Make sure all your creasings are done well here. This way. Got it. Now just fold this one and stick it here, but before you stick it, make sure you stick this your envelope on this. अब ये जो पेपर है ना, it's slightly smaller than envelope intentionally, so that even white envelope base is seen and it looks more precise and more professional, leaving all the four sides even space from the crease this way. इस तरह से आपको सारी जगह से equal space छोड़ना है and turn it around, and then you can just flip and your envelope is ready just in no time. So आपको कभी भी कोई भी wedding या किसी के लिए भी occasion के लिए fast जाना है and you have no time, you can quickly prepare these rather than buying ready ones. And this also looks like with handmade, so थोड़ा सा personal और professional touch दोनों लगता है. And here this is the one. इस तरह से आपको और 20 envelopes रेडी करने हैं. So in this one also we have done the stenciling with the orange color. Then I'll show you more with the stencils. Here we have added some beads and इसके ऊपर हमने white color का oval shade काटा है and all those things. It's available in your kit. Again this one with the stencil. Here again this one is with the stencil. Stencils and beads and flowers and tags. Look at this. जो भी सेंटिमेंट लगा रहे हो उल्टा मत लगाना. इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली रीडेबल. Here you go. Now these are with the Insta transfers. So Insta transfer is also available in your kit, and we have posted one. Okay, one Insta transfer is available in your kit, so you can use them halfly, and rest we have to use the stencils. So look at this one also with the stencil. Some we have used the golden color for the stencil, somewhere we have used the brown color also for the stenciling. Both the colors are given in your kit. So do try your hands and let us know your review about this envelopes and feedback what your friends, family has given. Don't forget to share in a comment. Bye bye and enjoy your Rakhi.